Man, getting up close. I'm getting up close and personal with some of this meat. Ah, pig's feet. Hater's gonna say there's a food shortage in China. Hater's gonna say that there's no meat left in China. Man, look at these sausages. I've had one of these sausages before. They're actually they're really, really good. Oh, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Wild Man Cobra, aka Jason, aka whoa, what's going on here? Pig's ears. Oh. Wow, we're live on the ground on the streets of Guiyang, the capital city of Guizhou province once again. Ah, Chinese minority. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's making some splicing. The streets are hustling and bustling. There's a lot of action going on the streets today. Some kind of back street markets. Vegetables, tomatoes, mushrooms, meats. Crispy pork going on. Wow. Would you like some crispy pork? I think they were pig's ears, were they? Pig's ears. True adult.
Then put the Mac down, but check the people that I'm with.
I know, I'm just a Chinese expert, what more can I say? These are the hustling, bustling, lively streets of Guiyang. And we're just exploring, I'm just showing you around. I'm giving you a POV action, so you can imagine that you are indeed walking these streets too. Wow, chickens. Some kind of market. Dried meats there. Wow. A lot of meat. I'm taking you down the back alleys. You're not going to see this part of China on National Geographic. What is that? Looks like sponge. You're not going to see these streets. You're not going to see these close-up streets on any other channel. Any other... What's that? It looks like cement.
Well, that's the thing.
Oh, that's the thing? That's the cement jelly? Wow, look at all this spices. Wow. No. More la jiao. Spice. Oh, potatoes. You're not gonna see these real streets on National Geographic channel, on any other channel. You only see it on my channel. I show you the real back alleys. The real China, the real truth. You find it right here, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate that. You want to go in there then? Let's go in there. Let's head inside this very interesting wet market. This is indeed a wet market. Sign there, no pets allowed. Interesting. Wow. Look at all this, very interesting. You see they've got a UV light. I think that's so you can see that the meat is fresh. Wow, it looks really weird on the camera. The UV light is glowing. Man, it is so busy. Wow. Meat on a stick. Man, look at this place. Whoa. It's glowing. Oh, interesting. Oh. Ah, sausages. Eh? And oh, Li Jiro. The best meat in town, Li Jiro. Man. Getting up close. I'm getting up close and personal with some of this meat. Ah, pig's feet. Hater's gonna say there's a food shortage in China. Hater's gonna say that there's no meat left in China. Man, look at these sausages. I've had one of these sausages before. They're actually they're really, really good. Hater's gonna say that all this meat is CGI and that Chinese people are starving. Wow. Interesting. Wow. That was a little look at a little look deep inside Chinese wet market and what they look like today, as of today, December 20 something. Don't know when this video is gonna go, probably around that time. Ah, wow, and then it's got fruit outside. I can say that is very, very yoisa. Very yoisa indeed. Oh, then we have oh, that's a little Xinjiang Muslim store there. These are the real back alleys, the real streets. People enjoying food and restaurants. Look at this old guy. It's pretty cool. Wow. I'm just gonna let the camera roll and let you see the streets. Say goodbye to the streets of Guiyang, because now we're heading deep underground. We're heading deep underground. Oh, look at all the staff having their daily meeting. Here now, I have my ticket here. This is my ticket inside. We're going in now. This is my ticket. Okay, we're going in now. I'm in. We're inside. Wow, what's this? Coming soon. Coming soon. Mr. Bean. Back inside the mall? What the hell? Getting kind of dizzy. What's next? Let's see what's next on the ceiling. Ah, see. We're underwater now. Oh, that's pretty good actually. I'm just gonna walk on it. Wow. Oh wow. Ginger hair. And a giraffe. Underground is just the place to be. It's hustling and bustling. This ceiling's not as entertaining as the last ceiling. Why a ceiling has to be entertaining? What's going on now? The ceiling's changed to flowers. Are we underground still? I don't think I've seen daylight for a while. Oh wow, now it's changed to space. I'm not being funny, but we've been walking around this labyrinth of underground streets for about 2 hours. And we can't find a way out because there's no signs. I think we keep walking around in circles. I'm sure I've seen that McDonald's down there about 9 times. Oh, it looks like we found a way out. Could this be a way out?